In today's video, I want to show you guys what you can do if you have network connection problems and how you can connect your TV with your Panasonic TV with Wi-Fi. Okay, for the first step, we click on the home button and we come to this menu, go all the way up and then to the right. And then we click on settings and here we have network and internet. Click on this and then we have Wi-Fi. And here the first step you have to do is to disable your Wi-Fi, and after that you enable it like after 2 minutes to restart your Wi-Fi or internet on your TV. You also can do this with your Wi-Fi router, which is really important to restart your entire Wi-Fi. Okay, and after that you have the available internet, and if there is you are connected, you can click on your Wi-Fi and go down, and then you can click on forget Wi-Fi, and then you can put in the password again and connect again like with your Wi-Fi to restart it again. And you also can turn this function off if you want to, and after that your internet problems should be fixed. Otherwise your Wi-Fi is really not working also on your other devices. If I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe. It would help me a lot, and then see you next time.